Does up under your roof look unfinished and sloppy? Does it move about and give you a whistle in the wind? Well, if you have a 2018 Plus General and you have these 5 posts, we have a solution for you, and I'll show you what it is. This is the roof filler panel from OnlyGenerals.com. It's designed to pull the roof down and seal that whistling air and any water intrusion out. Plus, it just gives a more finished and better look to the machine. Now, all you're going to need to install are the 5 included screws and a short, stubby Phillips head screwdriver. Running the screws up through the posts prior to installation of the plate will make it easier for you. To start, place one of the screws in the center hole in the plate. Put the panel in place and align the screw with the center post on your roof. Partially install the screw. Partially install the remaining screws. Starting from the center, work your way to each side, tightening each screw incrementally. You'll see as it pulls the roof down and aligns it that it's working. It may help to squeeze the roof and the panel together while you're doing this. Installation is complete when you feel all the screws bottom out. You just need to snug it. No over tightening or anything like that. That's a much cleaner roof line. I suspect there'll be no whistling and no water intrusion. And it just looks better. Thanks, OnlyGenerals.